How to retarget Facebook ads. Step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can retarget your Facebook ads step by step. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is just come to facebook.com/ads manager. This is the inside of ads manager. If you are running a business on Facebook, then you will have an idea how the Facebook/ads manager actually works. So this is the ads manager, and we are going to be retargeting our audience on Facebook. We're going to be retargeting our ads outside Facebook. So how you can do that? First of all, the first step will be finding the pixel, the Facebook pixel, getting it and copy that pixel and paste it on your website, whatever website you are using. For example, your Wix, Shopify, or any other website or business you have. You can do that with your affiliate funnels as well. You can copy the pixel, the Facebook pixel, and then paste it there. The Facebook pixel actually means that you will actually get the pixel from Facebook, and whenever somebody will click on that, will get your audience, that person, to your Facebook ad. That is gonna simply how it's gonna work. So let's get started. What happens on Facebook is it's a little complicated. Not complicated, it's super easy. I will show you, but it's hard to find the pixel. That's what's going on here. So what happens is you will see on ads manager, I will click on all tools option right here. In all tools, you will see the option of event manager right here. Now this is the latest version of Facebook. Facebook actually it changes every day now, so but you will actually find it right here on all tools. If you do not find it here, you just scroll down, you might find it right here. So what's gonna happen is I will click on event manager. Now ads manager will drive me towards the event manager, and it will just take a minute to load, and after that we will just get started. So once you are on your event manager, you will see right here, they're actually asking me for some updates of my app that I created on Facebook. So we're just gonna, ignore that for now. So to find the pixel, that's a little, it's hidden actually. I don't know why Facebook did that, but what's gonna happen now is to find the pixel. So to find the pixel is super easy. What you have to do is you will click on this add button, which is going to be connect data sources, or you will see the option of create right here. This is actually for the ad. So if you do not see the option of connect data sources, you might see the option of create task or create event. So click on that. Once I click on connect data source, I'm going to select my website because that's what I'm going to be doing. So I will click on website, connect. Once I click on connect, you will see the option of select a connection method. Now, conversion API, send web events and parameters directly from your server using an API, or Facebook pixel, send web events and parameters through the web browser that your customers use when interacting with your website. So this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to click on Facebook pixel because I want to connect through Facebook pixel. I will click on connect. Now they're actually giving me an overview then how it actually works. You can see right here that pixel is used to track action that customer take on your website. Now what's going to happen is I will be able to track my audience, the audience that is on my website. For example, I'm running a e-commerce business on Wix. Whatever my audience is doing there, a person that checked my website and they clicked on that, I will be able to track their action to Facebook, and I can actually draw that customer towards my Facebook business as well. So what's going to happen is this is the overview of how it works. You just simply read that out. Customer actions are captured through an event. Event parameter capture the detail of an event. After that, continue. So once I do that, you will see right here, name your pixel. So I can actually name my pixel whatever I want. Now I'm going to add the link of my website right here. So I'm just going to, do this in a minute, and then I will see you after that. So yeah, guys, I just added the information for my business, which is Sway Closet. So what happens is that I added my website. So now you can see it is all set up. Now my business details, the customers that I will be getting on my website, will be shown right here. I can actually test event. If I want to, I can create a new event. After that, I can I can check out the history. I can customize the settings as well. So this was the first step. Now what's going to happen is my business is connected to my Facebook. I will be able to track the customer, the audience, from my website to my Facebook. Now let's go to our second step, in which is going to be retargeting our audience, selecting a customized audience. Now this one is actually for, to drag audience, of course. And now when I will creating ad on Facebook, they will actually, be my customers on my website will also get the ad as well. So now the second step is to customize our audience for the sake of our ads, so we can, attract more audience. So for that, I'm going to go back to here, all tools, and in all tools you will see the option of audience. Most of the people will see the option of audience right here. If you do not see it, scroll down, advertise. In advertise, you will see the option of audience. I will click on that. So I am Ads Manager again. Here you will see the option of create audience. You will actually see all of the audience that you already created right here. So I will click on create audience, custom audience, because I want my audience to be customized. And in this, I can actually, my source will be my website, or I can actually, there are many other options. For example, you can drive your audience from your website, from your app, from your other sources. For example, your Instagram, maybe you can have your events, your shopping instant, experience. So these are all Facebook sources. So what happens is my source is going to be the website that I just added my pixel to, because now I know my website has a Facebook pixel, and then my custom audience has my website. So this is how we retarget our audience from outside the Facebook. So this is how we get our audience. So we click on website. Next, there you go. So now I have to add all of this information. For example, the source. You can see they added the source themselves because now they know where my Facebook pixel is. After that, events. All website visitors. I want, yes, people who visited specific web pages. Now, this is how we customize the audience. This is how you actually get the audience that you want. You can see there are two options. All website visitors. For example, all the visitors that come to my website, maybe they are not, going to the pages. For example, the web pages that I have. For example, I have more than one web page, and my store is on the third page or something like that. So I can, go ahead and select maybe who visited a specific page. So what I'm going to do is, for now, I am going with all website visitors. Retention. What kind of visitors? The visitors that visited in last 30 days, maybe in last 40 days. So that's how it works. I'm gonna go with last 30 days, like the visitors I get in, in last 30 days, they are gonna get, see my task, that they are the audience that I'm looking for. They are, active audience that I want to attract. After that, if I want to include more people, I will simply click on that, and I can, add more people. Right here, I can add actually audience name and description. Right here, if I want to exclude people, I can actually, do that as well. For example, any kind of limit that I want to add. So once you have added like this information, after that, audience name, I'm gonna call this audience my web audience. The description, in description, of course, if you have more than one business, you will add different descriptions. After that, if you have added all of this information, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on create audience. So once I click on create audience, my customized audience will be created. You can see your custom audience was created, and now all I have to do is just create an ad, and then my ad will be run to my customized audience, to my web audience, and to the website that I have my Facebook pixel to. So that's how you basically retarget your Facebook ads. It was super easy. I hope that you understood what I did. At first it might seem a little complicated, but it's not. It's super easy. First, what you have to do is just add your pixel to your website and then create your customized audience. Once you do that, you will be able to attract the audience and your business will be up and running. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to retarget your Facebook ad audience. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.